Hey, good morning. Day 6. As you can see, it's a beautiful morning. Promises to be in the 80s and lots of sunshine today. Put up the cockpit table so our dog, who's down there, can have some shade. Hopefully it won't get too hot for him, but it's absolutely gorgeous for us. Tell ya, nothing like waking up and having some coffee and this nice, gorgeous breeze. What a way to be. So, yesterday we recognized that boat living does take some endurance, though. You know, it's a little more of a chore to do even just the little things. We decided to go have some fun. And we took our dinghy out for the first time, which is what you're looking at. And there's no motor on it yet, so we had to actually row it. But Choco got up on the bow and he was all good with it. We took it out for about an hour. We weren't sure what our dog was gonna do. He's never really been in besides sitting in this boat, but he's never really traveled in a boat before. But he was great. He just got right up on the bow, on the front, and stood out watching everything, and he had a ball. So that was pretty sweet. Little Choco, Captain McBear. And our dinghy's name is Mimosa. We took her down this river right here. Other than that, the day for today, we're looking at just organizing a little more, putting away my clothes. Jim's gonna keep working on the water system. Thinking maybe we'll have some fresh water running through the boat today. And then I just have to do some work on my company. So that's the day for Thursday, but it definitely is gonna be a stellar day weather-wise. Loving it. All right, thanks for watching. We'll check back with you soon. Okay, all my lovely peeps. I think it's day 6 still. And check this out. Oh my gosh. Hey! There's water! This is the shower one. It gets turned on by this. Ooh! Is that crazy or what? Yay! Running water! And something about my unbelievably cool, amazing husband. Oh, is that him? Oh. Look! Now I can do the dishes. Woo! We are living grande. Living in style. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. I've been outside in the wind. Living in style, yeah. Now we are grilling some brats. And it's just comes along with the marina. Got the gas in there already and everything, so haha, free propane, free grilling. How sweet can it get? Just keeps getting better and better. And Bear, Choco, hi. Choco says hello. See you in the next vlog.